Hello guys, today I'm going to introduce Lisa. Her name is Lisa. She's 22 and her favorite color is blue and her favorite sports are football and swimming. She's interested in art. She's not interested in politics. Her father is a doctor and her mother is a journalist. She's American and she's from Chicago. Bye. Next thing that I'm going to tell you. I'm cold. Can you close the window, please? I'm 32. My sister is 29. Steve is ill. He's in bed. My brother is scared of dogs. It's 10 o'clock. You're late again. Anne and I are good friends. Your keys are on the table. I'm tired but I'm not hungry. Lisa isn't interested in politics. She's interested in art. James isn't a teacher. He's a student. Those people aren't English, they're Australian. It's sunny today, but it isn't warm. Thank you. The last thing that I'm going to tell you about is the short form of that is that's. The short form of there is theirs, and the short form of here is here's. Now there are a few examples. Thank you, that's very kind of you. Look, there's Chris. Here's your key. Thank you. Is the full forms and the short forms of positive and negative sentences. I am is I'm. He is he's. She is she's.
It is it.
We are is we're. You are is you're. And they are is they. When we make negative, we say I am not. I'm not. He is not. He's not or he isn't. She is not. She's not or she isn't. It is not. It's not or it isn't. They are not. They're not or they aren't. We are not. We aren't or we not. You are not. You're not or you aren't.